Welcome dear students. Today our topic is division of decimal numbers, exercise 2.7 class 7 mathematics. So let us proceed now. Question number 1, we have 0.4 divide 2. So first of all we write this equal to 4 upon 10 divide 2. This means 4 upon 10 divide into 1 upon 2. When divide sign is converted into multiplication sign, then this 2 will become its reciprocal form 1 upon 2. So this way now we have 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So this becomes 2 upon 10. That means 0.2 is the next answer. Now coming to question number 2, we have 0.35 divide 5. So in this question we have 35 divide 100 divide 5. So this means 35 upon 100, divide will be now into 1 upon 5. So this way further we have 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 7 upon 100, answer is 0.07. Now coming to next question, part number 3, we have 2.48 divide 4. So this means 248 divide 100 divide 4. Then 248 divide 100, divide mean multiplication, 4 mean 1 upon 4. So this way we have 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 twos are 28. So next we have 62 divide 100 is equal to 0.62. Our next question, next part is part number 4, 65.4 divide 6. This means 654 divide 10 into 1 upon 6. So this is equal to 6 ones are 6, 0, 6 nines are 54. So we are left with 109 divide 10, which is equal to 10.9. So coming to next part, part number 5, we have 651.2 divide 4. This means 6512 divide 10. This will become multiply, 4 will become 1 upon 4. So now we have 4 ones are 4. Here 2 is left, 25, 4 6 are 24, 1 is left, 11, 4 twos are 8, 3 is left, 32, 8 fours are 32. So what is the answer? 1628 divide 10. That means 162.8. Now, sixth part, we have 14.49 divide 7. So this means 1449 divide 100, because after decimal there are two digits. Divide mean multiplication, 7 mean 1 upon 7. So now cancellation, 7 ones are 7, 7's 2 are 14, 0, 7 sevens are 49. That means 207 divide 100. This is equal to 2.07. Now coming to next part, seventh part, we have 3.96 divide 4. This means 396 divide 100 into 1 upon 4. So cancellation will be 4 ones are 4, 9 fours are 36, 3 is left, 3 6 36, 9 fours are 36. So what mean? 99 divide 100. This is equal to 0.99. So last part of the question is eighth part. What is here? 0.80 divide 5. This means 80 divide 100 into 1 upon 5. So this means 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 8, 3 0 30, 6 5s are 30. So 16 upon 100. That means 0.16 is the answer. Now our question number 2 is number first part. What is the value of 4.8 divide 10? So this means 448 divide 10 into 1 upon 10. This means 48 divide 100. This means 0.48. So our next question now, this is 52.5, 52.5 divide 10. So this means 525 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. That means 525 divide 100, which is equal to 5.25. So this is the part number 2. So now coming to part number 3, we have 0.7 divide 10, which means 7 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. That means 7 upon 100, which is equal to 0.07. So fourth part is 33.1 divide 10. So how to solve this question? This is equal to 331 divide 10 into 1 upon 10. This is 331 divide 100, which is equal to 3.31. So our next part is part number 5. 272.23 divide 10. This means 27,223 divide 100 into 1 upon 10. So this means 27,223 divide 1000. So which is equal to, after 3 places, after 3 digits, that is 27.223 is our answer. Our next part number 6 is 0.56 divide 10. That means 56 divide 100 into 1 upon 10. This is equal to 56 upon 1000, which is equal to 0.056, because in denominator 3 zeros are there with 1. So after 3 digits we have to place decimal. Now coming to 7th part of the question. What is this? This is the last part. 3.97 divide 10. This is equal to 397 divide 100 into 1 upon 10. That means 397 divide 1000, which is equal to 0.397. So this is our question number 2. Now coming to question number 3, first part, 2.7 divide 100 is equal to 27 divide 10 into 1 upon 100. This is equal to 27 divide 1000. This is equal to 0.027. So this was part number 1 of the question. So now coming to next part, we have second part of question number 3, 0.3 divide 100. Here what is there is equal to 3 upon 10 into 1 upon 100, mean 3 upon 1000, which is equal to 0.003. So next, third part of the question is 0.78 divide 100. This means 78 divide 100 into 1 upon 100, mean 78 divide 10,000, which mean 0.0078. After 4 digits we have to put decimal. Now coming to fourth part of the question. What is this? 432.6 divide 100. This means 4326 divide 10 into 1 upon 100. This is equal to 4326 divide 1000, which is equal to 4.326. So our next part is part number 5. What is this? 23.6 divide 100. So it means 236 divide 10 into 1 upon 100. Further, this means 236 divide 1000, which means 0.236. Now last part of the question, part number 6 is 98.53 divide 100. This is equal to 9853 divide 100 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 9853 divide 10,000, which is equal to 0.9853. So this is the final answer of this question. Question number 4, first part, 7.9 divide 1000. This means 79 divide 10 into 1 upon 1000. That means 79 divide 10,000, which means 0.0079. So this is the first part. Now coming to next part, we have second part, 26.3 divide 1000. This means 263 divide 10 into 1 upon 1000. This is equal to 263 divide 10,000. So this means 0.0263. Now third part, we have 38.53 divide 1000. This means 3853 divide 100 into 1 upon 1000. This is equal to 3853 divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros with 1. So answer is, after 5 digits, 3, 5, 8, 3, 0. This way, after 5 digits, we have to put decimal. So our next part is part number 4, 128.9 divide 1000. This is equal to 1289 divide 10 into 1 upon 1000. This is equal to 1289 divide 10,000, which is equal to 0.1289. So our next part, part number 5, is 0.5 divide 1000, which is equal to 5 upon 10 into 1 upon 1000. This is equal to 5 upon 10,000, which is equal to 0.00005. So this was question number 4. Now coming to question number 5, first part. 7 divide 3.5. This means 7 divide 35 upon 10. This means 7 into 10 upon 35. So this is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So this means 10 upon 5. So in order to make this 5 equal to 10 in multiples of 10, so we have to multiply by 2 in the denominator, also in numerator. So this becomes 20 divide 10. This means 2.0, which is equal to 2. Second part, 36 divide 0.2. This means 36 divide 2 upon 10, which means 36 into 10 upon 2. This means 2 ones are 2, 18 twos are 36, 18 into 10 equal to 180. Third part is 3.25 divide 0.5. This means 325 divide 100 divide 5 upon 10. So this means 325 divide 100 into 10 upon 5. So 1 0 cancel. 325 divide 10 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 fives are 25. 65 upon 10 equal to 6.5 is the final answer. Now part number 4, 30.94 divide 0.7. This means 3094 divide 100 divide 7 upon 10 equal to 3094 divide 100 into 10 upon 7. 1 0 cancel. 3094 upon 10 into 7. So 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 2 9 29, again 7 4s are 28, 1 4 14, 7 2s are 14. So we are left with 442 upon 10, that means 44.2. So our next part, 0.5 divide 0.25, which is equal to 5 upon 10 divide 25 upon 100, mean 5 upon 10 into 100 upon 25. 10 tens are 100, 5 ones are 5 fives are 25. So we can say, otherwise we can say here this is 10 upon 5, or this is into 2 into 2, 20 upon 10, that is equal to 2 is the final answer. Sixth part, we have 707.75 divide 0.25, which is equal to 775 divide 100 divide 25 divide 100 is equal to 775 divide 100 into 100 divide 25. So this is cancelled. We are left with 775 divide 25. 5 fives 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25, again 5 fives are 1, 5 3 15, 5 1 31 is the answer. Seventh part, we have 76.5 divide 0.15, this is equal to 765 divide 10 divide 15 upon 100 equal to 765 divide 10 into 100 divide 15. So this is equal to 0 is cancelled. 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5, 6 7 2 25 26, 5 fives are 25, 5 threes are 15, again 3 ones are 3, 5 threes are 15, 1 51 into 10 equal to 510. So seventh part is okay. Eighth part, 37.8 divide 1.4, 378 divide 10 divide 14 upon 10, 10 10 cancel, 378 divide 14, 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 27 is the final answer. Last part of the question is 2.73 divide 1.3 equal to 273 divide 100 divide 13 upon 10, 1 0 cancel, 273 divide 10 into 1 upon 13, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 1 3, 13 ones are 13, 21 upon 10 equal to 2.1 is the final answer. Question number 6. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So first of all, 2.4 liters of petrol mean 43.2 kilometer distance is covered. Therefore, 1 liter of petrol mean we have to divide 43.2 divide 2.4. This is equal to 432 divide 10 divide 24 upon 10 equal to 432 divide 10 into 10 upon 24, 10 10 cancel, 8 into 3, 24. 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 32. 54 upon 3. 3 1s are 3. 8 3s are 24. So 18 kilometer. So 1 liter of petrol mean this will cover 18 kilometers distance. Thank you very much.